quick guide on how to use the Storm Down Wash and Proof kit. But first, let's take a look at why you should wash your down jacket. Down is a very delicate material that needs to be cared for, but only wash when necessary. This is if your jacket is dirty or has no loft. Before washing, let's prep your garment. Empty pockets, close any zippers, poppers or velcro fastenings, loosen drawer cords, and if you have any stubborn stains, use a pre-wash spray first. Clean out your detergent drawer and run a short rinse cycle to clear any leftover chemicals, as soap can be as bad as dirt and grease for hindering your garment's performance. Put your garment in the machine, just one at a time here. Pour 75ml Storm Wash in your detergent compartment, or a wash ball, and pour 75ml Storm Proofer in the conditioning compartment. This is the only system to clean and waterproof in one wash cycle, to save time, water and energy. Set your machine to a 30-degree synthetic low spin cycle for a long, gentle wash. When the wash cycle is finished, give it an extra rinse to remove any detergent, and then a spin to remove as much excess water as possible. Now it's time to dry. This is the most important part. Don't be scared, but patience is needed here. Check your garment's care label first to see if it mentions any restrictions. Turn your jacket inside out to protect the fabric, and then place in the dryer with our 2 dryer balls provided. This helps fluff up your jacket back to normal. You could also use 2 clean tennis balls instead. Set your tumble dryer to a mid to low heat setting and press start. Then, every so often, take your jacket out and agitate the baffles to spread the down evenly across the sections. Repeat this until fully dry. And that's it. That's everything you need to keep your gear in peak working condition. For more information, check out our website.